My little dude's come to help me. Well guys, welcome to part 12. I've been super lazy with this car over the last couple of months, but now's the time to get back on it. I've just come down, two tyres. Well, one tyre is definitely flat, and one tyre has gone down, so I'm going to reseal those. These older alloys, they're really difficult to seal, so I'll clean all that up. And this is the other one. So it's definitely down. Try and seal those. I've got two tyres to do on the Mondeo, so I may as well do all of these at the same time. I managed to pick up these four this morning. I won them on eBay for £33. I'm going to fit the two events, the bottom two, to the Mondeo, and then I'll get the Escort tyres off. My little dude's come to help me. We fitting some tyres, mate? 50 worms. Nope. 15. Alright, 20. Deal. Well, I can't moan at them for just over £8 each. New valve, balanced, and bead sealed. Well guys, as well as the tyres, I decided to do the filters. Oil filter, easy enough. It's done about 7,000, 8,000 since its last change. I'm going to try and do it more regularly, 5,000-ish. Nothing to report there. Fuel filter, can only assume it hasn't been done in a long time, and the tank is probably a bit rusty considering it's 20 years oldish. What is it? 19 years old. So yeah, good job done. I'm going to give the Mondeo a clean, then I'm going to get on the Escort. Well, that's a good job done with the Mondeo. Time to get the wheels off the Escort now. This alloy's off the back. There is quite a bit of oxidation on the rim, to be fair, so I'll just get some emery paper, some sandpaper. Yeah, it's quite rough there. So I'll get all that cleaned up and get the tyre refitted. Well, that's probably as good as I'm going to get it. I did get the multi-tool on the rim as well. Doesn't look too bad. I'm going to take the valve out, put a new valve in, see if that helps, and obviously bead seal it to death. Well guys, I found out the hard way that you cannot fit the bigger speakers to the back of the Cabriolet. So I bought some adapters and some 6.5-inch speakers, GT6s, JBLs. They sounded really good, but come to fit the door card over the top, and yeah, they won't fit. So if you want these adapters for the front of your Escort, I'll post a link below, but they will not fit the rear of the Cabriolet. So I'm just going to get some standard upgraded speakers when I get a chance. Probably not on my urgency list, to be honest. Carry on with the car for now. So this is one of the rear door cards. Don't know what I'm going to do with that. So guys, what I've done is I've pinched a leather seat out of a Mark 5 Escort and put it in the back for now. Obviously on these Cabriolets it's a 3-piece, so 1, 2, 3-piece rear seat. The Mark 5 B RS2000 rear seat will not go in this car. The door cards are also out of the Mark 5. There's the XR3i pattern beneath that makeshift PVC trim. It'll do for now. I know it's not great. Obviously it doesn't match the front seats. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Maybe investigate getting it retrimmed in time, but for now the dog can go in the back. It doesn't really matter. What else have we done? So, wax oil behind the doors. This is the stuff I've been using. And also, in the sill, I've been getting the wax oil through those holes using the long pipe. Hopefully that will give the car a few more years before it starts to rust out. I've done both sides. I've also been putting some trim pieces back on. And behind the trim pieces I've been putting some foam tape just to stop any rattles. I'm going to start getting the interior trim in now and sorting out control modules, and obviously ECU is currently hanging off it as well. Start tidying up the interior now. Well guys, I'm pleased to report the car is ready for an MOT. I will check it over one last time before it goes, but essentially it's done. It is filthy, does want a good wash and polish. Maybe even another flat on that side. In some areas, just flat it again. But yeah, I'm really pleased. There was a fault with the headlights that I sorted this afternoon. Basically, the main beam wasn't working. Turned out to be a faulty connection on the fuse board, so that's that sorted. The gear door cards have gone in the front. They don't look too out of place, but I'm not too happy with them if I'm honest. The only thing I could use that was Mark 5B related is obviously the front seats, but they look cool. I do like those. The car needs a good detail. The car needs a good, wipe down and good check over before it goes. But I'll let you know in part 13 how it gets on. Yeah, really happy. Essentially, it's done. Lots of little things that I will do to it in time. Steering wheel changed, morettes maybe, bonnet vents. But I'll get it through an MOT first. Yeah, all the links will be posted below. I'll let you know how it gets on in the next video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, thanks for watching, guys.